it's me, Silly Miss Lily.
I'm Paisley.
And today we're in Dinotopia in Nashville, Tennessee. We're gonna learn all about dinosaurs, explore a really fun indoor playground, and even slide in a volcano ball pit. It's gonna be so much fun, come on. Oh, let's come climbing, come on. Oh, let's climb up here.
Oh, should we go this way?
Oh, okay, let's go up this way. Okay, green stairs. Come on, we gotta hop these logs. Floor is lava! Whoa! Dinosaur! Come on in, sis! Oh, I see many, many dinosaurs.
Come on,
let's explore, come on. Okay, floor's lava. Log, log, log.
Let's go this way.
Oh boy. Through the tunnel?
Balls.
Ooh.
What's this? A mirror?
I can see under. Whoa!
We keep going.
Ooh, let's keep exploring. Whoa, springy tunnel? It's tough. It's hard. But we can do hard things. We did it. Another tunnel, come on.
This one goes back to here.
Wow. Peekaboo. Whoa, wibble wobble.
No.
This is so fun.
This is where it stops.
Ooh, okay, should we go under?
Should we go? Let's go across this bridge.
All right. Ooh, look at this obstacle. Pokey, pokey, spin, spin, spin. Okay, we can do it. Let's be brave. Woo! We made it to the bridge. Let's cross the bridge. Balance, balance, balance. We did it. Wow, this is like a under and over slide.
Look.
Oh, and I see some slides. Some floor, globe floor.
Come on, I see a slide up here.
Come on.
You do it, then I do it.
Okay, let's take turns. Here we go! We did it! Hello up there.
Okay.
I'll send you guys off. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Dinosaur time! You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! We are brave!
Can I do it again?
Okay. Let's bring it up. It's tough. It's hard. But we can do hard things.
I'll
We
do it
did
again
it.
this time.
All right. Here you go, ma'am. Are you here for the ride? 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Dinosaurs! Spaghettis! Yay! Whoa, dinosaurs. Hi, dinosaurs. Let's take a little break from playing and learn about when dinosaurs roamed the earth.
Dinosaurs were animals that lived a very, very long time ago, before people, cars, or houses existed. This time was called the Mesozoic era. Dinosaurs came in all kinds of sizes. Some were super big, like Brachiosaurus, with a long neck for reaching tall trees. Some, like Triceratops, had horns to protect themselves. Others, like T-Rex, ate meat and had big, sharp teeth. But not all dinosaurs were big. Some were small, even the size of a dog or a chicken. Some dinosaurs might have even had feathers on their bodies. Dinosaurs didn't swim in the ocean or fly in the sky, but other animals like pterosaurs flew, and big reptiles like mesosaurs swam in the water at the same time. Dinosaurs all disappeared after a giant rock from space hit Earth. But scientists think birds today are like tiny dinosaurs still living with us.
Cotton, can I put you on a dinosaur?
Pop, yes, please.
Here.
Wow. I'll go on this one.
How about if Cotton rides the pterodactyl?
Oh, yeah, dinosaurs. I'm on the pterodactyl. Hi, friends.
Hi, guys. That bridge is the fun.
Whoa, I want to hop over that.
And
Hop. My turn. Whee!
let's go in there now.
Okay, come on. Come on, Cotton. Oh, wow. I'm gonna hide Cotton. We're gonna play hide and seek, okay?
Okay.
Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come.
Oh boy, Cotton is playing hide and seek. Let's see if we can find him together. Where is Cotton? Where could he be? When you see him, you tell me. 1, 2. Oh, Sissy, I see an ear.
Okay, I'm coming.
2, 3. We found Cotton. Oh, wow. I can't believe it, but there's another ball pit. Come on. Oh, look at this.
Look, I'll put a ball right here.
Oh, it's a big volcano that sends the balls. Okay, ready? Let's put them in. Let's press the button.
I'm on a log, so.
Oh, okay. Okay. We're having a lava volcano explosion. Oh no, the volcano's erupting.
Mom, it's here.
Wow, this volcano was so cool. Let's learn more about volcanoes together.
Volcanoes are like big mountains that can sometimes explode. But instead of confetti, they burst out hot, melted rock called lava. Deep inside the earth, it's super hot, and rocks melt into gooey magma. When magma gets pushed up through cracks, it comes out of the volcano and is called lava. Some volcanoes are tall and pointy, and others are wide and look like a big flat hill. Lava can move fast or slow, and when it cools down, it turns into new rock. Volcanoes can also send ash, smoke, and tiny rocks into the sky like a giant dusty cloud. Not all volcanoes are active. Some are sleeping, and some are completely finished erupting. Volcanoes can be found on land and even under the ocean. Volcanoes help make new land and new rocks, and they remind us how powerful our Earth really is.
Here we go. We're climbing. We're brave.
Come on, let's go this way, Dada.
Ooh, here we go. Oh, big tunnel. And what are these? Bop, 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 bop. Wow, that looks tricky. Oh, wow, look at these tough. Hello? Hello, where are you? There you are. Ooh, I got stuck. Oh, wow, I see some big mirrors up ahead. Hello.
Whoa.
Hello.
Come on, let's go in here.
Ooh, let's keep going.
And let's go down here.
Okay. Oh, wow, is that a hammock?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Ooh.
And then jump.
Oh, we got a jumpy area. Jump.
Can you hold on?
Oh, of course. You going in? Look at this nice little hammock. You can relax in the middle of your dinosaur adventure. Rock-a-bye Paisley in the hammock. Wow! Well, I see some more adventures up ahead. Woo!
Whoa.
Whoa, girl!
I don't know how to get on it.
Woo!
Now it's getting a little bananas.
It's getting bananas. You got spiky bananas.
Whoa.
Nice job. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go over and through. We've got yellow and green vines. Whoa! Wow! Come
Look
on.
what I found.
Oh, I see more obstacles up ahead. Oh no, we've got a bridge. Oh, this looks tough. Let's go to the side. And now to this side. We did it! Come on. Oh, look, I found a tunnel slide. I wonder where it comes out. I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's go in. I'll see you on the other side. Whoosh. Wow! I came out of the snake's mouth. Hi, snake. Wow, let's go explore some more. Come on.
Hey, do you want to hop across those?
Of course. I'll follow you. Hop, 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 hop. Ah! Oh, I see a big dinosaur egg. Ooh, let's go see it. Oh, wow, come on. It's a really big dinosaur egg. Oh, it's so big. Oh, and what is this? This looks like a tail. Let's follow it. Well, if there's a tail, there should be a body. Let's keep looking. I see legs, small little arms, and a big dinosaur head. That's a T-Rex. Arr! Let's stomp around like dinosaurs. Arr! Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, stomp the ground. Roar! Roar! Oh, look, there's some fossils on the floor. Oh, wow. Let's take a little break and learn about fossils together. Roar!
Fossils are clues from the past that help us learn about animals and plants that lived a long time ago. When a dinosaur, plant, or other animal died, sometimes it got covered by mud, sand, or water. Over millions of years, the mud and sand turned into rock, and the bones or shapes of those animals and plants stayed inside. Those are fossils. Some fossils are bones turned to stone. Others are footprints, leaves, or even dinosaur eggs that got stuck in rock. Fossils can be tiny like a seashell or huge like a T-Rex skull. Scientists called paleontologists dig up these fossils very carefully with brushes and tools. They study them to figure out what dinosaurs look like and how they walked and what they ate. Fossils are like nature's time machines. They help us see what the world was like millions of years ago.
Oh, look at this. Oh, they spin. Let's see if we can fit through. Oh, it's tight. What if I go sideways? We did it! Oh, I see some areas this way. It looks like this way we can climb. Wow! I made it over.
No.
Oh, wow!
There's no here.
Look at this. Okay, we've got numbers. Shapes and colors. Oh, and I think even a clock with some animals. Ooh, what time is it? Chicken time. Can we spin together? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Okay, I got 2 spinning. Whoa! Did you get too dizzy? I got whizzy. Busy? Ooh, this looks like a nice swing. Okay, you hop on the one side, I'll hop on the other. Ready? We'll swing us to the end. Woo! Swing forward and backwards and forwards and backwards.
Whoa.
Wow! I feel like I'm riding a big dinosaur. Ooh, we're on the Brontosaurus. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Hello, welcome. You've reached your ride on the dinosaur ride. Let's explore some more. Oh, I see some stones. Let's hop them. Whoa, peekaboo! Let's pretend the floor is lava and hop on the stones only, okay? Hop, 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 hop. We did it! Woo! Let's hop around some more. Oh, wow. And look, this thing you can wobble and bobble on. Don't stand on it, try to wobble. Yeah, wobble, 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 wobble. Let's keep exploring.
Look, yes, there's a mirror maze.
Hello.
Whoa.
So many mirrors. Whoa. Now there's me. There's 1 of me, 2 of me, 3 of me, 4 of me. Which one's the real silly Miss Lily? Hello. Oh, this looks super fun. Look, it's like we can go over and under. I'll help you. Okay, first let's go over the spinny. Whoa! And then we can go under. Oh, it looks like we can go over again. Whoa, there's so many obstacles here. Wow.
I have an area that I haven't checked out yet.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, I think.
We did it! Oh, look, these look like dinosaur eyes. Let's see if we can get through. Oh, this spins. Okay, maybe I can go through. Hey, Paisley!
Hey, come on.
Okay, here I come. Let's see, I think I'll spin this so I can also fit. Here we go.
And now let's go spin this way.
Whoosh. Wow! We did it! Let's keep exploring!
This way goes to those 2 slides. This is a nice place to just go down.
Oh, that's gonna be so great! And 1, 2, 3! Oh, wow! And look at all of these dinosaur paintings. They actually had all of this hand painted. So an artist did all of this. And it looks so good. Whoa, and look at this room. It's a glow-in-the-dark room where some of the paint is glowing in the dark. Who's this, Ankylosaurus? There's a fun mirror. Oh, and a T-Rex on the door. Arr. Hey, look, your socks are glowing. My socks are glowing. Arr, arr. We got dinosaur feet. Arr. Oh, wow, there's a pterodactyl cafe where you can get some snacks and an area to have a party with a T-Rex or a Brontosaurus or even a Spinosaurus. Arr. Oh, hello, pterodactyl. Wow, I just love all the dinosaur details that are in here, from the painted walls and the dinosaur and eggs and leaves all around. I really feel like I'm in the land of dinosaurs. Arr! It's so important to wash your hands after you're playing, so let's wash our hands together. Come on. Oh, wow. Look at this bathroom. Let's turn on our water. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your hands with me. Turn the water off. Yay, time to dry. Oh, here goes. Whoa, whoa, they're going up high. Whoa, okay. Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, learning with me, and exploring with me. I love spending time with you, and I'm really proud of you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure you search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley.
Woo! And we'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Swim, swim, swim.